So here are all of the ways you can go to the settings on the iPhone. So first of all, if you are on the home screen like this, it is very likely you'll see the settings icon. So it is looking like this, like the gears, or some people refer it as the like web or whatever. So you can most likely find it on the home screen, click on it like this, and you are inside of the settings. If you don't find it on the home screen, just keep on swiping like this all the way to the right until you get to this section, which is the app library. And this is the place where it definitely has to be the app, which you should definitely be able to locate it. And you can tap on the settings in here too, and you'll be able to get inside. Outside of that, you can also use Siri, like the virtual assistant. If you hold down on the button on the side like this, we enable Siri, and I can say open settings. And now we get inside of the settings as well using just the voice, right? So that's another way you can get there. And there are definitely more. For example, some people like to add it to the control center in there. So as you can see, I have a couple of toggles in here. So if you hold down on it like this to make some edits, you can add a control and choose the open app, right? So you'll be able to get the shortcut, which opens up an app, and you choose the application to be the settings from the list, right? And there is going to be another way you can get inside of the settings right in here, because every time you go to the control center, you also have a button to move you to the settings app. So as you can see, there are plenty of ways you can go to the settings on the iPhone. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right now, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.